this is the last remaining dodo bird. People wonder why dodo birds going extinct. If you wonder why the dodo birds went extinct, this is like a video of how that happened. Here we go. Joey, he's playing. 1. They climb onto objects they shouldn't be up upon, and they fall to their deaths. That is one of the reasons the dodo bird went extinct. It's dead now. See, you can touch it, and it won't come alive. Oh! This one must be strong to survive the fall. They poke sleeping predators. Poke, poke, poke. This is what people get! Dodo birds getting extinct, people! It's gonna get there! That is another reason they went extinct. 3, not much there. Mostly, when they're getting chased by predators, they like to jump off high things. That dodo bird. Poor dodo.
What is this?
Number 4, they killed each other on accident.
Hey, buddy!
Wait, number 4? Wait, is this 5? Okay, it's 5. They eat things they're not supposed to. Like mushrooms. I'm alive! Not anymore! 6, they pet the strange animals. Try to be a good kitty. 8, they break into each other's houses without asking. Seriously, dude, where did that come from? I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Why?
Cause that's the lion's house.
I don't care. I can pet the lion.
You want to pet a lion?
Yes. The lion is...
Folks, these are some, like, this is how they became extinct. Wanting to pet lions, being stupid. You know what? He's trying to break into this house. He's gonna fail. Actually, he's not breaking into someone's house. He's spying on them. Get out of my house, dodo bird! Okay, it's getting dark outside, if you guys can tell. But anyways, this is it with dodo bird signing off. With that dab that just sucks. But we're gonna take a few moments to, like, give Percy some credit because he's a good cat, and he sat through that even though dodo bird was petting him. He sat through that entire thing. Everybody knows how bad that is, Percy. Everybody knows, buddy. We all know. We know. Oh yes. Okay, and one more thing.
This is dodo bird signing off!
Even though dodo birds a freak of nature.
Yeah!
And the dodo birds are extinct. Look at that dab! Oh my gosh!